Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by buying Battlefield 3 through the EA app or redeeming a valid product key on your EA account. Steam does not independently host the EA license. Install the EA app on Windows and sign in to the same EA account used for purchase so the game appears in your EA library. Keep your EA account credentials and any two-factor authentication ready. The EA app will handle licensing, updates, and multiplayer matchmaking, which Steam alone cannot provide for BF3. After purchase, open the EA app, find Battlefield 3 in your library, and download it to a drive with adequate space. Let the EA app manage installation, updates, and the anti-cheat modules required for multiplayer. Uninstalling it will prevent BF3 from running. If you face launch or update permission errors, right-click the EA app shortcut, choose Run as administrator, and verify the EA app can write to the game folder. This ensures the game and services remain synchronized for online play. To play BF3 through Steam, add the EA app executable to Steam. Open Steam, add a non-Steam game, then browse to the EA app. EXE and create a shortcut. Launching that Steam shortcut starts the EA app. From the EA app library, click Battlefield 3 to run it. If you want Steam features, enable Steam overlay on the EA app shortcut before launching. For stability, verify game files in the EA app if the game crashes, and use the Steam shortcut only as a launcher to keep Steam-based recording.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.